Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna unbox this car phone holder that I purchased from Temu. It's just $3 something, so it's really cheap. So inside I have these, like just two pieces. Okay, so this is like the holder that goes into this vent. Okay, and this is the actual holder which is gonna hold your phone. Okay, you can just do it. Yeah, you can hold your phone here, and when you travel long distance it's really good to have this, because sometimes your like in order to navigate, but yeah, use it nicely, properly. When I mean to say that don't use it to watch something or to take video calls, not at all. But yeah, for direction navigation it's very important. How you're gonna fit it? First, you see this outer one, take this off. Okay, I mean just rotate it and make it loose. Then take the other component. Okay, this you can so I've loosened it. Now place it inside here. Okay, now you see this, just a slight press. Okay, and after the press just keep rotating it and tighten it. So it's almost ready now. Okay, it's almost ready now. With this hook you can easily place it over here. Okay, now it's fixed. Okay, just make sure the hook holds well. Okay, yeah, now it is holding well, and you can put your phone here. Now why I do use it sometimes, not always, sometimes this fails, I don't know why, but with this you can always put your phone here. You can rotate this, see this one, this also, and then you can hold your phone here and you can connect it with wire. There's some place where you can use for wiring, and then this way you can keep it connected. This is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.